Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make the taskbar transparent on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, and you want to search for Store. Best match, say Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to search for translucent. One of the best matches should say translucent TB. Go ahead and open that up. Go ahead and select the free button. And then we can go ahead and actually launch the app. Select yes. And there you go, guys. The taskbar is now transparent. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.